basically stock, but it's got modifications to make it safer and more perform a little better.
Great. Yeah. What kind of what year is this? First
It's a
of all,
1937 Ford.
beautiful. And then what work did you have done on it?
Pretty much everything. The wood was refinished and revarnished and restored as much as need be. There's new paint, all new surfaces, new paint, new varnish, new chrome, everything. All done in the original maple wood and the original autumn brown paint.
These look original. Are they just re-chromed?
They're original bumpers, yeah, but they're not the original chrome. Yeah.
Right.
It's modified, kind of a post-war 50s style hot rod type engine in it.
Excellent.
You would have had one carburetor. This has got two.
Right.
And two. It's got cast iron headers and aluminum finned valve covers. It's got a Borg Warner T5 transmission now, which is 5-speed manual.
Great.
So it's a good freeway car.
But this is all original. Wow.
Well, it's original equipment, yeah, original parts, but obviously repainted. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, no modifications on the body whatsoever.
So it's a real mild hot rod within a real original body.
Yeah, Resto-Mod in a sense.
Yeah.
It's on the road at least once a week.
Right. Yeah. You don't trailer this
In
around.
fact, this is the second car show today.